In this problem, it should look familiar because we did one just like it. It's just backwards. I have 6 to the x equals 216. So what I want to do is I'm going to write 216 as a power of 6. And that's 6 to the third. We just did that. I think it's still in my calculator. There it is. 6 to the third. So in other words, the bases are the same. So x equals 3. You're done. That's the extent of the equation you're going to solve. Let's take a look at another one here. So I've got 25 to the x minus 1 equals 5. My base is 5. So I'm going to rewrite 25 as a power of 2. So that's 5 to the second raised to the x minus 1 equals 5 to the first. I'm going to write that 1 in there just so we can see it. So my bases are the same. They both have a base of 5. So I'm going to say 2 times x minus 1 equals 1. Now I'm going to solve for x. So I'm going to distribute. We get 2x minus 2 equals 1. Let's add 2 to both sides. 2x equals 3. So I will divide both sides by 2. And x would be 3 over 2. Don't write 1.5, write 3 over 2. I got an error in mark there. I don't want you to think it's negative, so I'm going to throw that one out. There we go. Whoops. X equals 3 over 2. And there's your answer. Here we have an application problem. It says the population P of a culture that begins with 40 bacteria and doubles every 8 hours can be modeled by P equals 40 times 2 to the T over 8, where T is the time in hours. Find T if the population is 20,480. So I'm going to rewrite my problem. I think I'm just going to copy it down first. So I'm going to say P equals 40 times 2 to the T over 8 problem. Now, we want P to be 20,480. So I got 20,480 equals 40 times 2 raised to the T over 8. Now, what I suggest you do is you want to get the exponent by itself, or the power by itself. So I want to get rid of that 40. Right now, I'm multiplying by 40, so I'm going to divide both sides by 40. So I take 20,480, and I'm going to divide by 40. So 20,480, and I'll divide that by 40. 40, and I get 512. So I get 512 equals 2 to the T over 8 power. So I want to write 512 as a power of 2. I'm going to have to do some guessing here. So I think I'm going to start here. Let's go 2 to some power. I'm going to go 2. I'll go to the 10th power. That's too big, isn't it? But it's not that much big, isn't it? Looks like I'm off by a factor of 1. Let's try 2 to the 9th power. Oh, 512. So you guess and check until you get this one. You're going to use your calculator quite a bit on this one. So in other words, let me blow this up so it'll show up here. So we get 2 to the 9th equals 2 to the T over 8. Or, the bases are the same. I'm going to change pen colors here. We're going to say 9 equals T over 8. The inverse operation of my division, I'm going to multiply both sides by 8. So 9 times 8 is 72. Now, since this is an application problem, make sure you answer with units. I'd like a complete sentence, but at least have units. So I would say the time would be 72 hours. And say it would take 72 hours. To have a population of 20,480. And there we have it.